In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GetResponse API key. Whether you're a marketer looking to streamline your tasks or a developer integrating GetResponse with other tools, knowing how to access your API key is a crucial step. So let's dive in. First, we'll head over to the GetResponse dashboard. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the GetResponse website. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account with your username and password. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, which is essentially your home base for managing campaigns, lists, and much more within GetResponse. With the dashboard in view, look towards the main menu at the top. You'll want to click on Tools. This section is your gateway to powerful functions that GetResponse offers, providing access to various features and integrations. Next up is Integrations and API. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to integrations and API management. This page is where you'll connect various applications and manage your API keys, among other tasks. Now, it's time to select API. This will take you to another section designed specifically for API management. On this page, you can view existing keys, monitor their activity, and create new ones. To create a new API key, you'll want to click on Generate API Key. This button will initiate a prompt asking for some additional information. Now, you'll see a field where you'll need to type in a name for your API key. Choose a descriptive name that will help you recognize what this key is used for, whether it's for a specific integration, app, or subset of tasks. After you've entered an appropriate name, click on Generate. The system will now create your API key. This is an important step, so ensure you're ready to secure and manage this key since it grants access to potentially sensitive operations within your GetResponse account. Upon generation of the key, you'll be presented with a confirmation and the option to copy your API key. Simply click on Copy, and it'll be placed on your clipboard for use elsewhere. Make sure to save it in a secure place, especially if you're integrating other applications. Once you finish copying the key, click Close to exit the key generation process. If you find that you need another API key for a different application or integration, you can click Generate API Key again and repeat the process as needed. After completing these steps and generating all the keys you need, simply click on Close one last time, and you're all set. You've successfully located and generated your GetResponse API key. That's it for today's guide. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in navigating your GetResponse account like a pro. Happy integrating,